It's just all the memories here. So walking in, it was extremely hard. I walked around the side, tried to just get in a little bit more, and just felt I just became sick. I just couldn't even, yeah, it's hard. It is a nightmare. This is just, this isn't real. You never think it's gonna happen to you, and then it does.
We found out through word of mouth yesterday, confirmed from our neighbors that hiked in, that our house was gone. I know that all of our neighbors had access to videos and photos, but when my husband left for work, he asked that none of us look at any of the photos and none of us come here until all 5 of us can be together for the first time. So I have not looked at any of the photos of our street or of our house. I can't describe it. What was it like? I really have no words for what it, I don't have any words for what it's like. Our free library is still open, and books are still here, but look in the, I mean, it's,
oh my God,
it's like on a strand, a thread.
It's definitely weird. I mean, I didn't really think it would be this bad. Like, I was at school, I saw the fire in person, and it didn't look that bad, so I thought it was like a free day off. I thought it was gonna be easy to contain. And then when I came home, after like an hour, it started getting worse and worse. I got scared and nervous, so I feel like it's just weird. It doesn't feel real.
We found these random papers, and this one was right there on the front, just like this, sitting like this on the front porch. And it says, what?
Make yourself at home.
And what's this last thing?
Enjoy the process and welcome home.
That is so crazy. A piece of paper with words still on it saying, welcome home. I don't even know what book this is from.
It's hard to explain. I mean, like 2-3 days ago it was beautiful, it was nice, but today it's something, you know, all smoky, it's all burned out, and you could see all the burned cars, and you see like there's no houses and stuff like that. It reminds me back to like Afghanistan.
We lost everything. Life as we know it is over. I feel like I'm looking at my own funeral.
We actually came to say thank you to our house for being good to us. And we were good to it. So.